Hello guys, Cesar here again, and this time we're gonna make the unboxing of this. This is a portable monitor, budget portable monitor for the brand Pisichen, 70.3 inches, and let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started with the unboxing. The beginning, the box is no brand in any place. Behind nothing is nothing in the box. At the end, I think that the other reason to be a generic brand. But let's get started with the unboxing. Okay. The beginning, the box comes with this protection of plastic. I'm not sure what is this. It's the monitor. Yeah, I think so. But let's check inside the box before go directly with the monitor. It's adapter, an Australian adapter connection. It's not any trouble with the connection. In this case, is a small instructions. The product comes with an HDMI cable with a stand, but let's unbox all the details of the product because it's nothing else more inside the box. The stand is budget. The right word for describe this type of stand is budget. It's coming in plastic. I reckon that the stand have different positions. It's not bad. I reckon that it's possible to put it in different directions. In 1 second, we're gonna try to stand the monitor here. Like I said, is the traditional connection, the Australian connection. This is a good thing because we are worried about that this is a Chinese product and sometimes comes with the American or the European connector, but it's easy. It's the traditional Australian connector. It's not any trouble with this. It's a good thing that it includes their own HDMI cable because some brands with big names don't include the cables and it's a trouble for the customer after the buy. The instructions, very simple, with all the description of the product and the way to connect it. Pretty easy. Let's check the monitor. Okay. Following this. Okay, comes with this envelope, plastic envelope. Need to save all of these things to store the product later. Is another cover here. It's a plastic cover. For a budget product, don't look bad. The feeling of the case is metal. It feels really good. The screens looks good. From the behind, we have I think this is the right side for BESA support. Maybe next time we can try to find a BESA support. It includes some information in Chinese. At this side, you can see is 2 HDMI connections. I don't know why you want 2 HDMI connections. Maybe if you want to connect 2 different products, we can try to connect the Nintendo Switch and a laptop for the complete review of the product. Is a 3.5 millimeters connection for the audio. This is the connection for USB-C, the connection for the power, and For this side is only a power LED that I think that is the indicator that this is turned off or turned on, and up, down, I'm not sure why. This is another button of menu. For the other side is nothing, at the bottom is nothing, and over is nothing. Let's try with the stand. Oh, okay, looks great. It's a very big screen, 70.3 inches. It looks great. The connector for the audio is the same side of the connector for the direct voltage, but if you use the DC adapter in the right position, the monitor turn on. The options at the back, it's only to up and down the speakers, because it's included 2 speakers here and here. And if you push the menu option at this side, you can notice that is the option to configure the brightness, the contrast, the different modes than echo. You can change the language. It's different options that you can check it. It's not touch. If you use that in that way, it's not touch, but it's okay. We're gonna make a complete review after 2 weeks. That's the same like the last product with the ROG Cetra True Wireless. And in that video, we're gonna make all our perceptions of the product and if we recommend it or no. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe at the button down here and pushing the bell to have the notification that we send the next video. Thank you and see you next time.